girls in one, we say Mel and Lisa. Was over category 5. When a station in Miami could not find her one time. I want to know what she was all about. And they sent out the Hurricane Fighter jet. The new one could not go in the start.